Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain reverse number of the Java program. Input is 1 2 3, output is 3 to 1. This is the basic structure of the division operation. Before going to write, we should know the difference between division operator and modulus operator. I have written a statement look like this. 32 by 8 equal to 4. This 4 indicates quotient. Whenever you are using the by operator, it always return quotient of the dividend. For example, here you can see divisor is there, dividend is there, quotient is there. Okay. So here the quotient is 4 and 8 is divisor, 32 is dividend. Okay. In the second statement, 32 modulus and 8 equal to 0. This 0 indicates the remainder. Here what happened is, whenever we are using modulus operator, then the system will return remainder of the dividend. This is the dividend. Center part we will call as a dividend. Okay. Right side part we will call as a quotient, and left side part generally we will call as a divisor. Finally, we will get the remainder value. Basic thing we should know, whatever the operator we use, based on that the system will hold the final value. Okay, so this is the basic understanding before going to write a Java program. And this is the flowchart of the reverse number. And initially I took the two variables. I will read it. The number equal to any positive number. If the number is positive number and greater than 0, then the system is allow me in the rest of the statement to execute. If the number is not greater than 0, it will not allow to execute rest of the statements. Here I have declared some integer type variables. Number equal to 1 2 3 I have assigned, remainder equal to 0 and reverse number equal to 0. I will verify the number not equal to 0 or not before going to execute rest of the statements. Here the condition is true. I have assigned a value 1 2 3 to the number variable. Remainder equal to number modulus 10. What will happen? Whenever we are using modular operator, then it will return a remainder. Number equal to number by 10 means it will always return quotient of the number. Reverse number equal to reverse number into 10 plus remainder. This is the formula to calculate a reverse number. Here you can see in the first step I have already generated a remainder. That remainder is assigned to the this reverse number calculation process. In the iteration 1, I took input is 1 2 3 and the and I will divide the 1 2 3 by 10. I will get quotient is 12 and remainder is 3. This 3 is hold in the remainder variable. What will happen? Number modulus 10 means it will system will hold the remainder. What is the remainder here? 3 is there. That 3 is hold on in the remainder variable. And in the statement to number equal to number by 10, what will hold here? 12 will hold in the number. And in the third statement, reverse number equal to reverse number into 10. What is the reverse number initially? 0. 0 into 10, 0 plus remainder. What is the remainder in the first iteration? 3 is there. That 3 is assigned here. And it will calculate look like this. Reverse number equal to 0 into 10, 0 plus 3. What is the 3 in the first iteration? Remainder. And equal to 3. Final output is 3. This 3 is hold in the reverse number. Initially it is 0. Now it becomes a 3. First iteration is completed. Now second iteration will be started. Okay. Second iteration, how it will start? First iteration quotient become a number. Okay. So in the what is the first iteration initially assigned 1 2 3. This instead of 1 2 3 I will assign a quotient of first iteration. So here you can see 12 divisible by 10 one time I will get 1 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder. This 2 is assigned to the remainder variable and 1 is assigned to the number. Okay, and I will process once again a reverse number. Previously what is there? 3 is there in the reverse number. Now 3 into 10 how much? 30. 30 plus current iteration remainder 2 is there, 32 is there. In the first iteration in the reverse number 3 is there, in the second iteration reverse number 32 is there. So second iteration is also completed. Now the one is assigned in the remainder in the number variable. The number it will check the number is greater not equal to 0 or not. It's a true, it will allow. And 1 modulus 10, what will happen? Is it divisible? No, it's not divisible. Here you can see 10 1 10 is not divisible to 1, so quotient is 0 and remainder is 1. Here you can see in the second iteration 32 is there, 32 into 10 320 plus current iteration remainder. What is the final number? 321. What is the given? We have given initial input is 1 to 3 and the final output is 3 to 1. So the quotient is there. One more time it will check the number not equal to 0 or not. It's a false condition, it's not executed, it's not allowed to the loop, and it will come out of the loop. And finally whatever the value is there in the reverse number, that value is printed in console. So the same program I will show you in Eclipse. Here you can see I have already written the same code here, you can see, and I will execute the same code in I will execute the same code in debug mode, you can see. And here you can see I have declared three variables: dividend, remainder and a reverse number. Here you can see the variable, whatever the value is there, that value and the variable name it will show in the right side of the console. Okay, it will check initially dividend not equal to 0 or not. What is the dividend here? 123 is there, so condition is true and it will divide by modulus operator. 123 modulus 10. So what is the remainder here? You can check here. 3 is there. That 3 is hold in the remainder variable. And dividend equal to dividend by 10. Okay. So what here you can see dividend is now 12 is there, and the reverse number is 3 is there. And first iteration is completed. Now dividend is 12 instead of 123, 12 is there, because in the step 3 we have assigned a quotient as a dividend. That's why it will each time in the while loop it will check the number is not equal to 0 or not. And second iteration is entered and the remainder equal to dividend by 10. 12 modulus 10 it will check. Here you can see whenever we are mouse over here in the dividend 12 is there. Okay, 12 is divisible by 10 one time. Okay, so one time means here you can see remainder is 2 and reverse number is 32. And once again it will check dividend is 1 and 1 not equal to 0. Okay, condition true. and it will check 1 modulus 10. 1 modulus 10, is it divisible? No, it's not divisible. So remainder is 1, and it will calculate the reverse number. Already in the 32 is there, 32 into 10, 320 plus current uh, current iteration remainder. Current iteration remainder, what is there? 1 is there. That 1 will be added to the 320. Then the final output is 321, and the uh, dividend it will be calculated like this. Here you can see 0 is there, 0 by 10, 0 is there, 0 not equal to 0, it's a condition false, it will not allow. Okay, this is the final output of the reverse number. Thank you guys.